Listen carefully to the audio. Keep the 3 questions in mind and answer them after listening. 2 hidden extra questions will appear at the end. Don't miss a single line while listening. Questions to keep in mind.
When did Ryan and his mother go shopping? What did Ryan's mother check while shopping?
What did Ryan add to the cart happily? Now let's listen to the passage.
On a sunny Sunday morning, Ryan and his mother went to the supermarket to buy food for the week. The big store was bright and full of colorful fruits and vegetables. Ryan pushed the trolley carefully while his mother checked the shopping list. They picked apples, bread, milk, and a jar of honey. Ryan smiled as he saw his favorite cookies on the shelf and added them to the cart. At the counter, the cashier scanned each item with a cheerful beep sound. Ryan helped pack everything into bags and made sure nothing was left behind. Before leaving, his mother thanked the cashier and said, "Good job, Ryan." He felt proud and happy to help. It was a simple trip, but for Ryan, it was a fun little adventure.
When did Ryan and his mother go shopping?
Ryan and his mother went shopping on a sunny Sunday morning.
What did Ryan's mother check while shopping?
Ryan's mother checked the shopping list. What did Ryan add to the cart happily? Ryan added his favorite cookies to the cart. Let's move on to the hidden extra questions. What did Ryan's mother say to him before leaving? What did Ryan make sure of while packing the bags? What did Ryan's mother say to him before leaving? Ryan's mother said, "Good job, Ryan." What did Ryan make sure of while packing the bags?
Ryan made sure that nothing was left behind.